Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna answer the questions of the project 4.3 and show that I did the task they required me to do. The first one is to prove Sally's password is set. To do that I'm gonna type sudo password. As we can see, the letter P means a password was assigned to Sally. And the next task is to prove Janine and Finance are the owner in group 4/data1. To do that, I'm going to type this comment, ls space dash ld space slash data1. And you can see that Janine and Finance, they both have the read write execute permission for the data1. The next task is to display content of server profile. To do that, I'm gonna type cat space slash server profile. Ha. So you're gonna see a bunch of information just pop up, and there's a lot of information about hardware and about the disk partition, and those are pretty much the information of the server profile. And the last thing they asked me to do is they asked me to prove that Sally has the read write execute access for the data1 directory. To do that, I'm gonna type the command get faco slash data1. And as you can see, the order is Janine. So Janine has the permission of the read, write, execute. This is the file. This is the order Janine, and group. This group has this one too, has the permission to, and the user has the read, write, execute permission. So pretty much these are the tasks they asked me to do for this group, and they asked me some questions to answer, and I'm gonna answer the question. So for the question number 1, they say, what file system right does Ted have for data1? For data1, remember that Ted is not Janine, and Ted is not in the finance group. So basically, he falls into the other categories. He doesn't have a no write permission, but he can read and execute. The next question is, Bruce reports he no longer has access to the end group. What are possible two reasons why this could be? So the first reason, somebody who has the privilege could remove Bruce from the group. And the other reason that can happen to this person could change the password so that Bruce doesn't know the password and he can't access to the group. The last question is, what two recommendations do you have for management as they consider future data center upgrades? So the two things I could recommend is they could upgrade the storage hardware, or they can increase CPU and memory resources. Again, thank you so much. These are the answers of the questions and the tasks they asked me to do for this assignment. Thank you. See you next time.